Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2024 Transit Connect equipped with the Driverge rear entry manual ramp. Let's go ahead and bring down the ramp. You will first open up the lift gate. You can then use this lever here to unlock the ramp. So this ramp here is going to be 30 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 57 inches. Over here you are going to have the retractable straps, and the back ones are going to be electronic. In the middle you will have a bench seat that will fit 3 people. And this van here only has 63,000 miles. Let's bring the ramp back in. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 63,000 miles. You will also have a backup camera. You have the vinyl seats. And here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.